Prashant, and today I am going to show you how we can insert data into MongoDB from Node.js application, or we can say that how we can insert data in MongoDB using a JavaScript file. So for implementing this, I already created one tutorial which showed us how we can use the connect in our Mongo server. So what I am going to do over here is, as you can see that we have got a DB client. So what I can do is I can create a collection for our testing purpose. So what I am going to do is db client dot db, which db I want to select. So I want to select this. Test collection 1, or let's say test collections. In this db, what I need to do is I need to create a collection, or let's rather give this a name of test db 1, and this is going to be our emp collection. So I have just created a simple variable and stored that variable for collection process. So for implementing insert, what I can do is I have got three methods with me. That is, one is insert many, and insert one. So I will show you one by one how we can use this. So I will start with insert one method. So this is going to take a object. So I am going to say name is xyz, age is 30. So now if I run my application, so I can do this by saying node mongodb mongodb connect.js. So as soon as I hit this enter button, I can see that MongoDB connected. So let's do one more thing. We can go and check whether the data was inserted. So let me refresh this connection. So if I go inside this, I can see that testdb1 was created. I have got this collections, employee collection is there, and if I view documents, I can see that one collection I have got id, name and age. So this is how we use insert one. Now let's take the case of insert many. We can pass in an array of objects. So let me create one more object. I will take it as ABC. And now if I try to run this, I can see that it is connected and it has inserted the data. So let's see in our server what was inserted. So this is our server. So if we go down, then we can find that the value has been inserted. Or let's double check it in our RoboMongo. So let's refresh this collection. Let's view documents. So since I inserted two more documents, so I can see the three documents were added to this collection. So if you are unsure whether there can be one or like there can be many, then you can simply say use this insert. So once you do this, this is going to work in a similar fashion like insert or insert many, insert one or insert many. So you will not have to worry about what's going on behind the scenes. So let's start this. So it's saying MongoDB connected, so it means that it was inserted. Deprecation warning, it's saying that we should be using insert one or insert many instead of insert. So it's okay, fine. Let's verify whether the data was inserted or not. So let me refresh this. I'm going to view my documents. So I can see that it is working very similar to insert one or insert many. So this is like how we can use insert in our MongoDB using Node.js application. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like it. Thanks a lot for watching.